Put the period there. Okay, does your robot play games? Okay, does your robot play games? Ask me a question for that. Asking, does your robot play games? Okay, you put question mark there. Question mark there.
Dali, number 4. Number 4 na ba? Where do you think it sleeps? Ask question wala. Where do you think? Oh.
This one.
Dali ka,
If
ask
this question
question
mark
wala.
here, you will copy this one. The interrogative.
Where do
If it
you
is,
think it sleeps?
This one. Ha?
Nag-ask question wala.
This one.
Nag-ask o question wala.
Pwede ko ulit ko.
Oh, sa'yo mo gibutang. Mag-ask a question.
Here.
Then, copy this one.
Give me a pencil.
My brother named it Max. Ask question wala.
Question mark here. You copy it. Kani mo i-copy yan.
Nag-ask a question wala.
Here, ha?
My brother named it Max.
It's like
Nag-ask wala.
this one.
Pagtarong mo.
But if it is period, kani mo copy yan na. If it is period.
Pag mag-ask ka ng question, nag-start siya mo. Where, how, who, does,
At that one.
did, wala sila o, mag-start na. Pag mag-ask ng question. Wala siya, number 3.
You make your
Ask
one
what?
smaller, di ba? You said right in front.
Na. Pag mag-ask ka ng question, nag-start ani o did,
There, man.
where, how, who, and does. Wala yung nag-ask ng question. Wala siya, number 3. Sabi mo, dyan, oy.
Isa din.
Oh, sige.
Question.
Number 5.
Okay, dali ka mag-start.
Number 5. Nag-ask ng question wala. Oh, yes, sir. Dali ka. Nag-ask ng question number 5 wala. Unang galing po kung ask gani ang nag-start siya o did, where, how, who, does. Wala sila nag-ask ng question. Number 5. Ask wala. Oh, sir, answer. Kayo, answer mo na. Yes, sir na. Pag wala kami mag-answer, kung wala kami nag-ask, kini mo ikuan o. Dayon, ang imong ibutang, ngani. Kung mag-ask siya ang question, ngani mo ibutang. Oh. Yes, sir.
You copy this one.
What? Sure ka?
Oh, he already
It is snake in the garage. Sure ka? Nagkasiya?
She's already. She's
Pag mag-ask ka ng question, nag-start ano nila opening did, where, how, who, does. Ano yung mag-ask ng question? Copy this one. Wala lagi na siya nag-ask. Pag mag-ask ka ng question, paminaw ha? Listen. Pag mag-ask ka ng question, nag-start o ining si did, where, how, who, and does. Then, ang yung ibutang kay ini. Then, ang yung ibutang sa box, ini ani. Kung wala siya ng question, mag-search ka sa question yung ani. Yung ibutang sa blank, then, ini ibutang sa box yung ani. O, sige, mga anak ha. Yan, sige. Kini, wala siya ng itana ha. Then, kini mo ibutang sa kwan, ibutang mo sa box. Then, kini siya pag namutana.
Look, your bag is look
Pag
like that.
namutana ka din, nag-start ani ang sentence of did, where, how, who, and does. Then, yung ibutang sa box, yung ani. Kuminaw na, sige na, start na.